Samantha,
Yeah?
why do kids chew on their clothes?
You do. Yes, you do. I don't know. Maybe it's just like, maybe when they're hungry, they just don't know their clothes. And if you mean, like, all clothes, I wonder how they chew on their pants. That's weird. But, like, maybe they just do it like when they're hungry, or it's like a habit, or they do it subconsciously. And they just chew and suck it, or maybe because it tastes good. You never
Brian?
When I was little, I used to.
Is that all?
I was like, I want to chew on it. You get well. I'd like be like, ew, I don't want to wear a shirt.
Jake?
Oh, well, like, it's kind of, I used to do it when I was little because I thought the shirts tasted good. They tasted like chicken, bacon, everything.
Mine tasted like apples. Oh, and also it tasted like grapes. And pineapples are green because this is green. Hers tasted like...
You were trying on my shirt.
No, I'd say if you have a shirt that's purple, it tastes like grape. If you have a shirt that's blue, it tastes like...
If you
Blueberry!
suck on my shirts, did you suck on my shirt?
No.
Okay.
Okay, bye guys.
Bye. Bye.
But I sucked on my
Don't-
shirt.
don't eat